Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one tool. It's called BARD for search engines. So it's a Chrome extension. You can go to this Chrome extension page. I'll put the link in the description box below. So after installing this Chrome extension, you can come here and install it. Then you can see this BARD for search engines. Then after that you can go to bard.google.com. You just have to go in here and authenticate. Then you can just go to google.com. So you'll go to google.com and you can type in anything you want. Let's see google.com, and you can type in any information. Let's say which are the best places to surf in India. So if I hit enter, now you see something here is happening in BARD. In BARD it is going and checking the same search. So it is fetching the response from BARD. So it says here that some of the best places to surf in India: Goa, Varkala, Mahabalipuram, Oroville, Andaman Islands. So it is able to pull this information and summarize this for you here. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.